Hello, my name is James. I am coming to cook garden egg tea. These are the items that I'm coming to use to cook my garden egg tea. Palm oil, tomato, onion, hot pepper, Maggi, salt, fish. This is my garden eggs.
It's on fire.
It's on fire. I am mashing the garden eggs. Now I'm putting the tomatoes in the stew.
So it's like we have started preparing the stew. So we have started with the onion. The oil is hot and we put the onion in, and now the tomatoes is in.
Now I'm putting the garden eggs in the stew.
So he's adding the garden eggs. So he have added the garden eggs. So this is how it looks like. Then later you come and add the fish to it. That's the preparation.
Now I'm putting the fish in my stew.
Smoked fish.
Smoked fish. This is the smoked fish.
So we are on it, mixing it. This is the beginning of the mixing. Yeah, about to Gari, no. Well, what? Like this. More water and the Gari mixed with the red oil and mixing it well so that to look nice. So this is how to become. Now the Garango is ready for us to eat. So and I'm coming to serve it. So Kevin is the first person. Mr. Bassel will give him stew. This is how it will go. So tip it that, then you go. Good. Next.
So Clement is eating the garden egg stew and the garingo. Is it good?
Yes, madam.